In this example, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot of an image on a website. You can use this tool. It's called the snipping tool on your PC computer, and you can use it to take a screenshot of a variety of images, websites, etc. So to get started, you want to click on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner. If you type in the search, type in snipping tool, you'll notice the program is listed at the top. You can also go to All Programs and go to Windows Accessories and locate the snipping tool icon there. Once you open it up, you'll get a dialog box that allows you to create a new snip. Before you do that, if you check out Mode and select the down arrow, right now I'm going to have a rectangular snip. If I wanted a full screen snip, or the window snip, I can go ahead and choose that. You also have your options. If you wanted to, it prompts you to save before exiting. If you want to show a screen overlay, if you want to have an ink color around it. And then you can also choose to delay. And this is great if you wanted to do like a pull down menu. So you could have like a 3-second delay to get your screen image ready. So I'm going to try it without the delay first, and I'm going to click on new. And when I do that, if I just want this image right here, it draws a box around it. I can now go ahead and choose File Save. I can save this on my desktop and then close out of it. If I reopen the snipping tool, I'm going to go back to Options and uncheck the Show Selection Ink and hit OK. And now I'm going to delay it for 3 seconds. And I'm going to choose New again. And the 3 seconds allows me to choose my menu and display it up. So now, and I forgot to grab the top part, but now I can actually capture a menu if I'm directing someone to go to a certain page. And I can choose Save As, and I can save this image as well. Notice on the second one, I forgot to get the header images, but I have no red line around the image. So that's another setting options that you can choose in your snipping tool. If you didn't want a red box, you could choose to have a black box around it. Hit OK. I'm going to delay it back to 3 seconds again and hit new again. And now I can capture it up and I can grab the whole menu. And now I have a snip or a screenshot of my image that I can use. For more information, check out the CTL website at ctl.center.edu.